this nation called Biafra. Oh, beautifully done. The rest of the world calling us exciting terrorism. This is what we are all doing. This is not exciting terrorism. This is Biafra. This is what Simon Ekpa is doing. I can't see any terrorism here. This is beautifully done.
This is Alledgely, and we are in Finland convention. We are about to enter our decisive tour. We are going to get our country ratified, and we are going to get operational component that will give us the right to give our country a name. So we want you people to relax and don't believe any gossips or any propaganda. We are live here in Finland, and if I'm counting now, I can see about 500 or more than spectators, dignitaries that is here. So we keep you posted. This is live and direct in Finland. Latin. Thank you very much.
Yes. Well, shut down.
Come inside.
If it or anything like a grape, usually it's fine.
Yes, the difference are going on. We are here now to check it.
The zoo is finally
Boy, so you just imagine these are the Biafrans. Welcome to Finland. People are tripping in and out to the convention. Oh, the army. The crowd is something else. Zoo cannot stop us. Nigerian government cannot stop us. This is Finland airport. This is Finland airport.
That finally that Nigeria
is in the convention
have been defeated.
Nigerian government has been completely defeated. That was the song for opening prayer. Simon Ekpa was there live. You know, when I see who is a prophet, a prophet is the man that speaks and it comes to pass. I told you people. He was just invited and interrogated. After that, he was let go. But because his social media handle was cut off from Nigeria, that was why Nigeria is busy writing nonsense about Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister. That's one of the songs for opening prayer. And while the song was going on, Simon Ekpa there was cooling down because the Holy Spirit is already in control. So they are allowing the Spirit of God to take charge because this is the Lord's doing. And the meaning of that song is it means that God does what no man can do. That thing that is difficult, that thing that man cannot do, are the things that God does. And which is Biafra today. And which is the convention today. And which is what is going on that started today, that is ending on the 3rd of December. You know, many have said it is in the prison, it's in this place, it's in that place. Today, watch the video. Go and subscribe. Buy data and watch. Be a living testifier just like me. Just like me. I have confirmed it to prove the word, what I have said. I want you to be a witness of it. Because even as I'm talking to you, Chioma, Davido, Liana, and Tino, and the rest is currently stuck in Finland airport. Why? Davido allowed Chioma to go and witness. There is every tendency of Davido appearing there by this time tomorrow. That is to tell you the spirit of Biafra, the spirit of convention. And that is to tell you what Simon Ekpa has been able to impart to every youth, to every human being, irrespective of where you come from. That is what Simon Ekpa has succeeded in imparting the life of people. The soul winners, the souls that are happy for good news, for good things. And I believe because of what Simon Ekpa succeeded in imparting in the life of Davido, that was why he sent his wife to be part of what is going on in Finland currently now. Glory be to God. That is the spirit of Biafra. Thank you.
With the current update now, do you think that most of the Biafrans are now fulfilled?
We are not most. It's all fulfilled because the whole world, including the French president, is watching it, is seeing it live. Germans live. Also Rock. They are swear. Christopher Musa is already put to shame. I know. Look at Musa. About his head. That's the way Musa is now, because he never believed that it will come to pass. But now, the Bible says, and it came to pass. The convention will not hold. Convention must not do this. Convention have started. Nigerian government could not do anything. And as I'm talking to you, Tinubu is not even in the country now. He has traveled to France, and I believe in the office of the president, Your Highness, Your Excellency, Macron, I know after the meeting with the Tinubu, the private jet is waiting for him because he himself wants to be there. You understand? He has sent his own information to Simon Ekpa to make a space for him. You know, French people are the people that supported Biafra during the war. They are the only country. So, and look at his reply now to Mr. President of Nigeria, Tinubu. He said anything concerning Simon Ekpa and Biafra, my hands are not there. I wash my hand off. Didn't you hear that? Go and do your findings after this meeting. Thank you.
So, you feel that after December 2, you feel that that the Igbos now will no longer be part of Nigeria after December 2?
December 2, because Biafra has been originally declared in 1967. Today, what has been declared many years ago, over 50 years ago, is what we are restoring today. That declaration is what we are planning to restore come December 2nd. And the ceremony begins today. Are you getting it? And watch watch all over the world. See people from different countries, both Brazil, Argentina, different colors of the world, both the blacks, different colors of the world. Look at them in Finland. See them gathered in Finland. Our mommy is smiling with me because our mommy love good things. Because we are the children. The children continue from where our parents stop. And God has decided to use us to achieve their dream, which they started. Are you getting it? Look at all over the world today. Go to Finland, you see different colors of people, different colors of my people, with the different ideas, focusing on one country called Biafra that will be completely and fully restored come December 2nd. On Monday, you know, fire again. Just get your shoe, your dancing step, because as you can see me, onime iye na dige ko mume, onime iye na dige ko mume, onime iye na dige ko mume, iye na dige ko mume, iye na dige ko mume, ka Jehovah neme.
But people like Uzodimma, they say Ekpa is deceiving himself. Say Ekpa is not a serious person. How you someone like Ekpa? That anybody that believes Ekpa is just the person needs to check. His brain needs to be checked.
Okay, he says so. Ekpa is not a serious person, and people supporting Simon Ekpa, their brain need to be checked. Please, are you trying to tell me that Macron, the president of France, his brain need to be checked? Is that what you are saying?
Is he supporting Biafra?
He's supporting Biafra. Look at the statement to Mr. President of Nigeria. He said letting out Simon Ekpa and Biafra that he doesn't want to talk about it. He should not bring it to it. That he doesn't want to get himself involved. Is he not supporting? Go to Prime Minister Alexandra, the Prime Minister of Finland, is fully in support of Biafra. Are you wiser than him?
Are you saying support because of it's taking place there in Finland?
Yes, if it's not in support, he would not allow such a thing to take place. And moreover, the venue itself, where this thing is being taking place, is a place whereby the man, I've forgotten his name, the man that wrote Biafra national item and the Finland national item, his own place, that is the venue they are using today. Hello, in case you don't know, go and do your findings. So they themselves are in support. And they are growing, they are moving. And you are telling me that such a person, brain should be checked. Most of them, I believe is your own brain need to be checked. Because a normal human being, I don't think a normal human being that is reasonable, that is well okay, whose brain is normal, will be carrying the kind of activities, atrocities you are carrying in Imo State. I don't think somebody of your type should do that. Look at Lagos State. Look at Ondo. Look at Osun State. Look at other various places. Which of the governor? I will not forget the late Akeredolu. You know, when the Fulanis enter one of his local government under his watch and keep people in the church. Look at the way that man felt, how he was crying. In fact, he reacted. That is to tell you, somebody that have humanity, that have sense, somebody that feel for the people, somebody that know his duty, his job, that know that yes, he is called to serve, he is called to defend his people. Look at the step that he took. He immediately formed Amoteku to make sure that such a thing did not repeat itself. But to your own, you are bringing Fulanis to come and slaughter your own brother, the people that you are supposed to protect. That is to say that you are the one, your own brain need to be checked, not those supporting Simon Ekpa. If Simon Ekpa did not have anything offset, Nigeria wouldn't have gone after him in different ways. If Simon Ekpa did not have anything offset, what is happening in Finland today wouldn't have taken place. If Simon Ekpa did not have anything offset, dignitaries will not be coming from different countries to embrace the occasion. That is to tell you, Simon Ekpa have many things upstairs, and those supporting Simon Ekpa have plenty things upstairs. But those that are against Simon Ekpa are those that have short memory, like you. You will not succeed. Thank God for this, that my people, our women, our boys, area dictate this. But no wahala, do it as you have been doing it. It remains a question of time. Some days you will leave office. Already they have given you a notice from the EFCC that will do you as they are doing other. And for your information, they are not going to treat you the way they treat Fire Show. For your information, they are going to treat you the same way they treat nnamdikanu. They are going to treat you the same way they treated every other Igbo people. Okorocha will tell you it's a living evidence, and every other person. So don't think you will be treated differently. No. No. Let your heart not be settled now. Yes, it's good and I am happy. Hope us or them, hope us or the other. Yes, hope us or them, hope us or the other. Nigeria have become ever since use and dump, especially those that come from the eastern region. We warn you and we caution you, but you never take caution. You never take advice. You allow yourself to be used by the Republic of Nigeria to be used as a tool to carry out evil activities in Imo State. Thank God that you are claiming, look at it now. The EFCC are now against you. They are now coming after you. They are not coming after your family. They are not coming now after your properties. They say they will seriously handle. See, you know one thing, I love what is happening now, because the action of what has happened from Finland, it has given Nigerian EFCC another dimension to go after people like Ropus Odema. The tools that they have been using has come to become the tools to be checkmated. EFCC of Nigeria are now coming against you. Glory be to God. See, the same way they went to Kowa, Delta State governor, the same way they went to Okocha and Okorocha, the same way they are coming after you. Use and dump. Shame to you. Shame, a very big shame. EFCC now. In fact, I'm using this opportunity now to tell the EFCC, Oga, please, torture him, don't collect money. I know that you people used to collect bribe. Don't collect bribe.
But he said his confidence that EFCC should bring it on, that he's ready to, that he knows that he has done the right thing, for the people of Imo State, and at the same time, he has fulfilled what he said he's going to do in terms of economy and security.
Ropus Odema, let me tell you, Ropus Odema is just using that one to console himself. Yoruba go say Tobaya. You understand? Yoruba go say Tobaya. When the time comes, by the time they kidnap him or grab him, he will change topic. Ropus Odema that fear more than anything. This one is a word of what? Confidence, a word of hope. Because they have not actually laid hand on him. Until they lay hand on him, that is when you will now see him speaking in another language that could be called tongue of men. Are you hearing me? Listen and listen good. He said one thing again, that he has done good for the Imo State people. How? The good number one is by destroying the property. The good number two, by kidnapping the young ones and killing them in a cold blood. That is the good that he has done in Imo State. Clearing and ransacking a whole village, causing confusion declaring an enmity between brothers, between families, dividing them and destroying them, giving an opportunity and promising fake promises of taking thousands on a free course in Obodo Oyibo. Now, finally, where are those promises? Deceived. He has succeeded. He has done well by telling the Fulanis to come and kidnap our women in Imo State and forcefully rape them. Forcefully do what? Rape them. And forcefully marry them illegally without the respect of their parents. Abi, that's what he has achieved. Abi, that's one thing he has achieved. Forcefully, without their own concepts, get married in order that we continue in ID camp to produce Boko Haram. Abi, in order to multiply Boko Haram in Imo State so that they will wake up one day just the way they did in Yoruba land, in Kwara State. They ransack Kwara State, clear Kwara people, kill them, and take over their land. The same thing they want to do in Imo State and Igbo in diaspora. Alledgely, you will not succeed. Thank God for this. That my people, our women, our boys, area dictate this. But no wahala. Do it as you have been doing it. It remains a question of time. Some days you will leave office. Already they have given you a notice from the EFCC that will do you as they are doing other. And for your information, they are not going to treat you the way they treat Fire Show. For your information, they are going to treat you the same way they treat nnamdikanu. They are going to treat you the same way they treated every other Igbo people. Okorocha will tell you it's a living evidence, and every other person. So don't think you will be treated differently. No. No. Let your heart not be settled now, because
you believe that because he's also from the southeast, is an Igbo
because
man.
he's an Igbo man.
They might see
they will treat his fuck up. They will treat his fuck up. Surely they will treat his fuck up.
Because some are saying because he's having this guilty conscience, that's why he's coming out to, to say all this.
He knows that he did not do anything in Imo State. He did not do anything good in Imo State. All the money allocated, I'm coming. All the money they allocated to Imo State, he did not use it for Imo people. He pocketed it. All the money that he collected from Federal Republic of Nigeria because of the ID camp, the building of ID camp, establishing an ID camp, all the money that he collected, where are those money? He squandered the money for his personal needs. You see why he is ranting and crying ahead of time. In other words, telling us that it's not safe. And there is nothing he can do now, because the people that would have protected him are the people that he has created an enmity with. So he's crying out now, which nobody is going to stand to help him.